In this video, we will learn how to fix WhatsApp error adjust date. So let's begin.
So to fix WhatsApp error saying you need to adjust your date, what you have to do is just go and open your mobile settings. Once you are in your mobile settings, just scroll down below and search for date and time. So under the system we have found the date and time, just go and tap on it. And here what you have to do is, the first option is automatic date and time. So here you need to select the use network preferred time, and here under the automatic time zone you need to just go and on it. Once these both options are like this, just go and open your WhatsApp app, and many of the mobiles the automatic date and time option would be given with the on and off button, so just go and on that. So once these both options are on, just go back to your app, and hope by doing so your issue will be resolved. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.